Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 5th of September, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of Apple technology and beyond. From software development challenges to intriguing apps and legal disputes, we've got a lot to cover. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's start with an intriguing development in the world of Linux and Apple. Asahi Lina is facing challenges integrating a new Apple GPU driver written in Rust into the Linux kernel. While the driver works well within Asahi Linux, merging it into the mainline kernel is proving difficult due to the complexities of the existing C-based Direct Rendering Manager subsystem. The core issue revolves around synchronization mechanisms, with Lina proposing changes for enhanced safety, which were rejected by maintainer Christian Koenig. This highlights a clash between Rust's safety goals and the existing C structures. Lina has decided to bypass the DRM scheduler, opting to re-implement its functionality using Rust work queues. This situation underscores the need for better communication between Rust developers and kernel maintainers. Next, let's talk about a unique app designed to improve your sleep quality. Dark Sleep offers a total black screen and a variety of relaxing sounds to help you drift off peacefully. It features a gentle sunrise alarm clock to wake you up naturally and includes soothing audio options like fireplace and ocean sounds. The app is available for a one-time purchase of $4.99 with no subscriptions or ads, making it a cost-effective alternative to physical sleep devices. It's compatible with Apple TV and requires tvOS 12.0 or later. The developer, Uphail Inc., ensures user privacy by not collecting any data from the app. In the realm of cloud gaming, Microsoft and Apple are at odds over the distribution of cloud gaming apps on iOS. Despite Apple's recent changes to its App Store guidelines, Microsoft argues these are insufficient for a native Xbox cloud gaming app. The crux of the issue is Apple's requirement for in-app purchases and a 30% commission fee, which Microsoft claims hinders monetization. Apple maintains that cloud gaming is supported through web apps and that developers aren't facing significant challenges. The UK's Competition and Markets Authority is investigating and considering potential remedies. This dispute highlights broader issues of competition and regulation in the mobile app ecosystem. For developers and tech enthusiasts, the GitHub repository Textra offers a command-line application to extract text from images, PDFs, and audio files using Apple's Vision and Speech APIs. It requires macOS version 13 or higher and supports various input files with multiple output options. Users can specify locales for text recognition and control the output format. The project is in its early stages, and contributions are welcome. Objective, Inc. has introduced Anton, an AI-powered search evaluation tool that helps developers assess search result quality with near-human accuracy. Anton streamlines the relevance judgment process, traditionally time-consuming, by grading 10,000 results per minute with 100% human quality. This tool is part of a suite of AI agents aimed at enhancing search experiences, crucial for online business success. Anton offers a scalable solution for search evaluation, allowing teams to focus on more complex tasks. In a concerning legal case, music producer Michael Smith from North Carolina has been charged with multiple felonies for allegedly scamming over $10 million in royalties using AI-generated songs. Smith created thousands of bot accounts to stream his AI music on platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. When detected, he shifted to producing vast quantities of AI-generated music. Despite denying wrongdoing, prosecutors have charged him with money laundering and wire fraud. This case raises significant concerns about the integrity of streaming platforms and the potential misuse of AI technology in the music industry. Finally, in a recent episode of the Data Engineering podcast, host Tobias Macy interviews Junping Du about Gravitino, an open-source metadata service designed to enhance data accessibility and governance. Gravitino provides a unified interface for locating and querying data, addressing challenges faced by data teams. It features centralized permissions management and offers innovative use cases for improving data management tools. Du shares insights into Gravitino's development and future plans, emphasizing the importance of data accessibility and governance. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and insights from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.